What if I told you there are incredible devices that work without a single drop of electricity? Imagine a total blackout. Everything goes dark, but these gadgets just keep on running, amazing everyone around them. They don't need plugs, they don't need batteries, and they're not magic, they're just brilliant engineering. First up, let's talk about light in the darkness. Gravity-powered lamps are a real game changer. You just hang a weight, and as gravity pulls it down, it powers a small generator that creates light. No batteries, no wires, just the fundamental force of the universe lighting up your room. It's a simple yet powerful idea that provides clean, reliable light to people living off the grid. The weight slowly descends over about 20 minutes, and when it reaches the bottom, you just lift it back up to start again. It's a workout for your lights. Now, how about a device you can wear that powers itself? I'm talking about self-winding watches, also known as automatic watches. These beautiful timepieces don't need batteries at all. They run purely on the motion of your body. As you walk, swing your arm, or even just type at your desk, a small weight inside the watch, called a rotor, spins. This spinning winds the mainspring, which stores energy and powers the watch's intricate gears. So, as long as you're moving, your watch is ticking. It's like a tiny, perpetual motion machine right on your wrist. A classic piece of technology that's both elegant and incredibly practical. Ever thought about cooking with the power of the sun? Solar cookers make it possible, and they're surprisingly effective. These devices use reflective surfaces, like mirrors or polished metal, to concentrate sunlight onto a cooking pot. Without any plugs or fuel, they can reach temperatures high enough to boil water, bake bread, and cook a full meal. They're perfect for camping, picnics, or even just saving on your energy bill on a sunny day. It's a clean, free, and delicious way to cook, proving that sometimes the best kitchen appliance is the sun itself. It's a simple concept that harnesses an immense power source millions of miles away. Here's a mind-bending one. What if you could generate electricity just by walking? That's the principle behind piezoelectric sensors. The word piezo comes from the Greek for to squeeze, and that's exactly what these materials do. When you apply pressure to them, they generate a small electric charge. This technology is being integrated into all sorts of things. Imagine shoes that charge your phone as you walk, dance floors that power the club's lights, or even roads that generate electricity from the weight of passing cars. It's a fascinating way to harvest the wasted energy all around us, turning everyday actions into a source of power. Remember those emergency kits from back in the day? They often included hand crank radios and flashlights. And for good reason. These are lifesavers when the power goes out. By turning a crank, you're converting your muscle power, your kinetic energy, into electrical energy, which is then stored in an internal capacitor or rechargeable battery. A few minutes of cranking can give you hours of light or radio reception. It's a reliable, old-school technology that ensures you're never left completely in the dark or out of touch, no matter what happens. It's the ultimate backup plan, powered by you. Now, let's explore the power of temperature. Thermoelectric generators, or TEGs, are devices that create electricity from a difference in heat. If one side of the generator is hot and the other side is cold, it produces a voltage. This is known as the Seebeck effect. This technology is incredibly useful in remote or hard-to-reach places. For example, they can power sensors on industrial pipelines by using the heat from the pipe itself, or even run on body heat to power wearable devices. Imagine a watch or a fitness tracker that never needs charging because it runs on your own warmth. It's like magic, but it's just physics. If you're finding this video fascinating, do me a huge favor and click that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the share button. Your support is what helps me dig up more of these amazing facts and create more videos just for you. Every click really makes a difference, so thank you. Okay, let's get back to it. How about a clock that runs on water? It sounds like something out of a fantasy novel, but water-powered clocks are very real. These clever clocks use a simple internal water wheel or a galvanic cell. The water flows through, turning gears to move the clock's hands. or it facilitates an electrochemical reaction between two different metals, creating a tiny current to power a digital display. You just need to top it up with water every now and then. No batteries, no winding, just the power of H2O and gravity keeping time. It's a great example of green technology in a small, everyday object. Let's go even more classic. Remember those enchanting wind-up music boxes? They create beautiful melodies without any electricity at all. When you wind the key, you're tightening a spring, storing potential energy. As the spring slowly unwinds, it turns a cylinder dotted with tiny pins. These pins pluck the teeth of a steel comb, and each tooth produces a different note. The arrangement of the pins determines the melody. It's a beautiful, purely mechanical system of springs, gears, and pins working in perfect harmony to create music. It's a timeless piece of art and engineering. How do you stay cool without air conditioning? Ancient builders figured this out long ago with passive cooling systems. These aren't devices, but rather brilliant architectural designs. Think of things like wind catchers in ancient Persian architecture that funnel cool breezes into a building, or thick, light-colored walls that reflect sunlight and absorb heat slowly during the day, releasing it at night. Modern buildings use features like green roofs, strategic shading, and natural ventilation to reduce the need for electric cooling. It's about working with nature, not against it, to create comfortable living spaces. Here's one you probably use without even thinking about it. That little solar power calculator sitting on your desk. It has a small strip of photovoltaic cells that convert ambient light from the sun or even just your desk lamp into enough electricity to power the device. These calculators are incredibly efficient and can last for decades without ever needing a battery change. They're a perfect example of a simple, sustainable technology that has become a part of our daily lives. They just sit there, silently sipping on light, ready to do math whenever you need them. Before silicon chips and circuits, there were mechanical computers. These were astonishing machines made of gears, levers, and cams, all working together to perform complex calculations. The most famous example is Charles Babbage's analytical engine, designed in the 19th century, which was a blueprint for the first general-purpose computer. Even today, you can find smaller mechanical calculators, like the Curta, a handheld marvel of engineering that could perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. They are a testament to human ingenuity, proving that you can compute without a single electron. If this tech blew your mind, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Your support is what keeps these incredible facts flowing and helps the channel grow. So there you have it. No power? No problem. These incredible innovations prove that we can achieve amazing things without relying on the electrical grid. Which one of these devices shocked you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one. Thanks for watching.